MMS Aviation in Coshocton, Ohio is the only place in the world that trains aviation mechanics and prepares them for service on the worldwide mission aviation field, as well as maintains, overhauls, repairs aircraft that come back from the mission field. Both of the helicopters that Mercy Air operates presently, they're Airbus helicopters AS350B2s. Both of them went through MMS Aviation. MMS Aviation was absolutely instrumental and of tremendous help in getting this done. The skill level that is represented at MMS is truly amazing. You could really expect a one-stop shop for everything from paint of the aircraft to complete avionics rework, sheet metal work, repairs that need to be done, upgrades, modifications. Really, just about anything that you would need on a mission aviation aircraft can get done at MMS Aviation, and it's done with an incredible level of excellency. We would not be having the quality that we have now. We would not have the level at which the helicopters are now equipped with the latest modifications. We have done major structural modifications, and we've updated them, and they are now ready to serve for many years to come on the mission field. A great thing to see that there's such a skilled and highly motivated group of men and women serving the mission aviation community. So thank you very much, MMS Aviation, and please continue with your excellent work. It was the highest quality you could expect. It was a huge, huge help to us as an organization.